Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to manage your Google account. And now go to data and privacy and then you have to scroll down and click on delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes. Then click delete account. And now your account should be removed. So now let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click sign in. And now you have to enter your email address. And as you can see, my account is deleted, and to recover it I have to click next. And now I have to enter my password. And now click I agree. And then click accept. And now, as you can see, my parental control is bypassed and my account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.